one car that's redefined what an electric vehicle can be, it's the Tesla Model 3. Sleek, fast, and packed with futuristic tech, this is the EV that made electric cars mainstream. But is it still the best choice in 2025? Let's dive in. Right off the bat, the Model 3 looks stunning. Clean lines, minimalistic design, and that signature Tesla look. No front grille, just a sleek aerodynamic shape built for efficiency. Plus, Tesla recently gave the Model 3 a subtle refresh. Slimmer headlights, improved aerodynamics, and new rear lights. Step inside, and you're greeted with Tesla's signature minimalism. No buttons, no clutter, just a massive 15-inch touchscreen that controls, well, pretty much everything. Climate, navigation, entertainment, it's all here. The seats are comfortable, offering great support, and there's plenty of legroom, even in the back. And yes, the yoke-style steering wheel is optional in case you prefer a more traditional feel. But the Model 3 isn't just about looks, it's got the performance to back it up. The standard Range AWD gives you a respectable 272 miles of range and a 0 to 60 time of around 5.8 seconds. Step up to the long-range AWD and you get an impressive 341 miles per charge and at a 60 time of just 4.2 seconds. But if speed is your thing, the Model 3 performance is a rocket, hitting 60 in a blistering 3.1 seconds. The low center of gravity and instant torque make for a thrilling yet smooth ride. Charging? No problem. With Tesla's supercharger network, you can add up to 175 miles of range in just 15 minutes. And with more charging stations popping up worldwide, range anxiety is becoming a thing of the past. Plus, Tesla continues to expand home charging options, making it even easier to keep your battery topped up overnight. But here's where Tesla still leads: Autopilot. The Model 3 comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, and if you opt for the full self-driving package, you get features like Navigate on Autopilot, Auto Lane Change, and Smart Summit. It's not fully autonomous yet, but it's one of the most advanced systems on the market. Over-the-air software updates keep improving safety and functionality, ensuring the car gets better over time. Now, what about the price? The Model 3 starts at around $40,000 for the base model, while the long-range and performance trims push it closer to $50,000 and beyond. Not exactly cheap, but with tax incentives and gas savings, it's still one of the best value EVs out there. Factor in lower maintenance costs, and we've got a car that's economical in the long run. So, is the Tesla Model 3 still the king of EVs? It's got the range, the tech, and the performance. But competition is heating up fast. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. And stay tuned, because next time, we're checking out a brand new EV that might just shake things up. You won't want to miss it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss.